Okay, just got a special package from Clover Coasters. Let's crack this thing open. Now this is the first time I'm seeing whatever is in this thing. Clover's teased it a little bit. I haven't looked at it because I want to be surprised with how it looks. There we go. Alrighty. Got the stickers. Oh, hello train, top designs. I don't know when these are going to be on the store, but probably at some point. These are so I can finally record Helios with all the cool lights and stuff. All right. It's got it kind of just in the box here. So let's see here. Oh. Uh-oh. The sheet fell off. B&M Invert train design. And the restraints go up. And one of the seats fell off, so I'm gonna have to glue that back on. And where did it go? I saw it fall. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at this beauty. And if you watched one of my shorts, I just went and rode this coaster. These are obviously the colors of Batman the Ride at Six Flags Great America. Screws and then extra pieces. This is one of the things that fell off, so I'll have to glue that back on. All right, let's get this back in the box. So, as I was saying, Clover and I are going to be doing a build battle. Well, kind of. We're just going to both build Batman the Ride. And so, yes, we're going to be doing some live streams. And it should be very fun. Let's see here. Let's get some screws. Might as well put the train on. I made a little test track for these. Oh yeah, look at that. Very cool. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these on. And then, of course, I made a little test track so we can test it out. Okay, so I have a little test track, and I didn't make it strong enough to build the loop, but it's okay. It makes the little airtime hill. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Very cool. All right, let's take a better look at this train. Oh, yeah. This is such a cool design. No restraint going up. It's not supposed to happen except for in the station. So obviously these trains are a little heavier and also a little bit more bulky. It'll be a new challenge to overcome when building Batman. So looks like they work really well. They're beautiful. So tomorrow, Clover and I are going to do our first stream together building it. I'm excited to use this, and these will be available, I think, the same day tomorrow, as in Thursday. So these should be available. Special thanks to Clover for sending me these trains early. So then we can build the coaster. So yeah, such a cool design. I'm guessing this will be very popular because it's very cool. So yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow on the live stream. And yeah, I don't know, subscribe.